An extra set of ice panels for your FlexiFreeze Ice Vest will ensure continuous cooling when needed. The Velcro attachment makes for quick removal and installation. Keep an extra set in the freezer and you'll always be cool. Patented FlexiFreeze Ice Vest harnesses the power of 96 pure water ice cubes into 3.5 pounds of body core cooling efficiency. FlexiFreeze Ice Sheets are made with pure water because it is far and away the most efficient cooling medium. Top reviews from the United States. A motorcyclist's summer dream. I have heated gear for the winter, so I was ready to try the summer gear. I love this product. I did not get the vest that is recommended since I like my vest and my jacket. I placed the panels where I wanted them and then applied my own Velcro to my own vest and jacket. I highly recommend this product for anyone who rides long distance or short distance in the summer. No more sweating while wearing your safe riding gear in the heat. I store these in my outdoor freezer. They don't take up much room, so they could fit in any freezer. As a woman rider, I prefer the panels in areas other than the vest has them installed. I use them on and off the bike. These are great for passengers also. I carry a small bag cooler for very long days. When I stop, I place the panels in the bag and the life of the ice is considerably extended. Great product, excellent idea, high recommend. This product would be great for those who work outside in the summer. They can be placed into safety vests with minor adjustments and cheap Velcro.